Hello, and Vinayak here from Jack Capital. And so we are going to look at a video where I'll be trading and where I'll be showing you what happened to Reliance at the last year AMG. And this was a very fun day for me because then I was new to trading and I am still new to trading. For a disclaimer, I am a noob in this market. I am just here to present you by my views and what I have learned in the last 1.5 2 years of trading. Okay, now currently I am not trading any intradays or I'm not trading any options or so. Just I'm a swing trader. I take my positional trades and I'm making good profits out of it. There are very less profit, but I'm very happy with what I'm doing. So today I'm here going to tell you about what happened at the Reliance AMG last year. Okay, so this is the date I have plotted out for you. It was on 15th July. As you can see here, this is the date I got the article of. I guess it's not here actually. Yeah, it's here. HM 15th July, that is 2020. So what happened was that for some days the stock was really in a buy mode. It was really being bought up and bought up. If you can see, just a sec, I would want this to be here. Hmm, yeah, so this was how it was done. It was really bought up by the big players, and at the day the news was that the Reliance was going to be debt free, and they had been debt free that last year, that same year. So Mukesh Ambani did pay all his debt. He was selling some parts of his company to all those big investors and who are interested in it, and obviously it's a really good company to invest on. So everybody jumped in and made Reliance debt free the last year. But now what happened was that AGM, where the Reliance will announce everything that they have planned for, they have done for their previous business, how it worked, now their future business, everything. So this is where the big players took a really good moment for them. Really took a chance of it. And what happened was here. Let me just a second. This reading, okay. So this was the day of the AGM. So what happened was that first, in the first half, there was a really good trend line support kind of system here. You can see here clearly. So this was trading like this, and it broke. So the stock went up, and it was really trading good until here. Okay, so we found out that a deal which was to be done with a Saudi businessmen and Saudi oil business, something like that, it didn't happen. So the big players just dump Reliance like anything. Okay, look at this fall. Anyone who might have thought that the AGM was good and was really like opposite news for the market, the big press dumped it. They dumped it so badly it went out to be close to 180 points. Okay, and I don't know what's the plan for this year. Okay, but I want you all to stay cautious because this is how big players play news. Okay, this is how big players, the big financial institutes and all play news. And since tomorrow is 23 and this year's AGM is on 24th, I guess. Let me check. Yeah, it's on June 24th, as you can see here. So please be cautious while trading the Reliance. From tomorrow, at the second half of the market, you will see institutions and big players kicking in, buying Reliance, I'm guessing. And I want to be cautious because they might create a scenario where you will think that Reliance is going to blast up, or it might be going to give a really good profits in coming days. But that doesn't play well with big players. Okay, so they are here to make profit. They are here to take your own money. So please be cautious while doing this, and that's all what I wanted to convey this news. Thank you for listening to my podcast. If there is if there is any way of me being better at giving these videos out, please let me know in the comments. I am a noob in this market. I have just started out my YouTube channel, and I am slowly trying to learn those things. I'm slowly trying to learn how to make these videos really good and not. I'm spending some money on my equipments. They will be here sooner than you think, but till then this is how it's going to be. I'll be sharing most of my time telling some good information which will help you to be market. And above all, please don't take my videos analysis as a buy or sell call. Please do your own analysis because it's your own goddamn hard-earned money, and I don't want y'all to be in a loss because of me, because not anyone can or everyone can predict the market, not even me, because my views might get wrong. They might get so wrong that you might be in a stuck in a loss that could wipe out your account. I don't want that to happen. And above all that, no one can predict what's going to happen in the market tomorrow. Market depends on so many different things. It depends on settlements, sorry, not settlements, it depends on sentiments and all, news, this and that. And also one thing is constant in market, that history repeats itself. It's from the book of John F. Murphy, the Bible of the technical analysis. And this is where I read it, that market history repeats itself. So this might take place tomorrow or day after tomorrow at the AGM. But as I said, you please take this as a learning videos and not as a buy or sell calls. Thank you.